Accu-Tell Rotavirus Adenovirus Combo Cassette Feces. Test procedure. Unscrew the cap of the specimen collection tube. Then randomly stab the specimen collection applicator into the fecal specimen in at least 3 different sites. Do not scoop the fecal specimen. Tighten the cap onto the specimen collection tube, and then shake the specimen collection tube vigorously to mix the specimen and the extraction buffer. Incorrect sampling may result in excessive sample volume, which may clog the NC membrane pores after addition to the test strip, resulting in a non-run sample. Remove the test cassette from the foil pouch. Hold the specimen collection tube upright and unscrew the tip of the specimen collection tube. Invert the specimen collection tube and transfer 2 full drops of the extracted specimen to the specimen well S and start the timer. Read the results at 10 minutes after dispensing the specimen. Do not read results after 20 minutes. Interpretation of results.